Water restoration owners, you've hired good crews, you have sharp estimators, and yet you still get pushback from adjusters, and it's causing your company to bleed profits. How do you fix that? Reets Drying Academy has developed a one-day course just for you. It's for owners, for GMs, for operations managers, and those in upper management, so that you can know what's happening on site, to be able to track why it's happening, and then make changes. You see, the problem is many don't know. Is it a scope of work issue? Is it the technicians that need training? Is it an estimator that doesn't know how to negotiate, or that's not putting in the scope of work into Xactimate properly? How can you tell what's going on in your company? We've developed a way to create lag and lead reports so you know what's happening, why it's happening, and how to make those adjustments. We invite you to come to the course, and it's entitled Get Paid for Water Restoration. But really, it's a part of a series. We encourage you to have your entire team take this training. It's a one-day training for your production crew, a 2-day training for the estimators, and then 1 day for upper management. By training your entire team, everyone will know what needs to be done, when it needs to be done, and how it needs to be done to create a profitable estimate. Once again, we invite you to come to our course. You can do so by signing up at reetsdryingacademy.com or call us at 770-712-7293. We love training you on how to do the right job. Now let's train you on how to get paid and how to track getting paid.